Hi y'all, I'm Anisha L. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a small unboxing from a company called the Flaming Candle Company. I did an unboxing in a previous video. I'll link it somewhere up here from Pro Candles. So I figured I add to my Pro Candle kit by buying some things from the Flaming Candle Company. Okie dokie. Got a lot of peanuts in here. A lot of peanuts. They say save your packing supplies because you'll need them when you start packages yourself. Jeez. Peanuts can create a whole mess. Ugh. I'm digging through the boxes to make sure ain't nothing else in here. Lots of peanuts. Oh, get that later on. All right, told you it was a small unboxing. My receipt from the Flaming Candle Company. So from them, I ordered 10 pounds of their natural wax C6, natural wax C6. So it comes in a slab. So this is a soy and coconut mix. And if I'm not mistaken, in my Pro Candle kit, that was all natural soy. And I also got their fragrance sampler. I got one fragrance sampler. This is the miscellaneous. It ain't called miscellaneous, but I'm calling it miscellaneous because I picked all the fragrances. So the fragrance sample was $15.99 and the coconut soy wax was $28.99. And then I also got some warning labels for my wax melt containers because I didn't order any from Pro Candle Supplies. So the fragrances I got were mahogany, teakwood, cocoa, cashmere, cucumber melon, Cuban cigar, bourbon butterscotch, frankincense and myrrh, and Jamaica Me Crazy. Those were the scents I got. And and I also, with my fragrance sample kit, I think if you spend a certain amount of money, they give you a free sample of a fragrance. So for my fragrance, I picked Fruity Pebbles as my free fragrance scent. And my total came up to $47.97. Then the shipping, shipping will hit you upside your head. The shipping was $20.49, and then the tax was $5.33 for a total of $73.79. So that's the packing slip. So let's open these fragrances up. Very well packaged. Nice little mixture of all the fragrances, I presume. So I'm assuming they all are 1 ounce sample sizes. My Fruity Pebbles. Might as well open that up. See what that smells like. I apologize for my facial expression. It smells like Fruity Pebbles. I guess you can see I don't eat Fruity Pebbles, but it does smell like Fruity Pebbles. I'm sure it'll probably smell better in a candle than just smelling it straight from the container, but it does smell like Fruity Pebbles. It smells more, I smell more lemon than anything. I feel like I smell more lemon in it, but it smells like a bowl of Fruity Pebbles, a bunch of fruits mixed together. So this fragrance is Jamaica Me Crazy. It smells like one of those fruit drinks that you would get at one of those Jamaican resorts. It smells like, I don't know, like fruit punch, rum punch or something. It's giving me rum punch vibes. Rum punch. This is Cuban Cigar. I don't know why I picked it. It just jumped out at me, so I said, let me hit Cuban Cigar. I don't even know what a Cuban cigar smells like. Forgive me for laughing. It just tickles me. I don't know. It's I think it's illegal to have them here in the States. It don't smell like a cigar. It smells like a well-dressed man. Oh, forgive me. It's taking me somewhere. I just went on a trip. Whoa, like a man in a nice suit, clean shaven, you know, maybe a little beard, maybe a big beard. You might be into beards. Maybe a little chest showing, haircut, or bald headed, or locks, long locks, short locks, fine smell. Oh, forgive me, girl. I'm about to go to come to tears. I'm getting engulfed in. Whoa! Oh, they did something with that one. Whoa! I think Cuban Cigar gonna be a hit. It don't even need no mix with it. Ooh, just a straight Cuban Cigar. Ooh, I'm gonna call that well-dressed man. Something fine as wine. Oh my God, he found something. I don't know, but that's nice. No cap, that Cuban Cigar is slapping. This is Cocoa Butter Cashmere. I don't know if nothing gonna hit better than that Cuban Cigar. Gee willikers. Oh, shucks. All right. This cute. I don't know if I can smell cocoa butter, but it's sexy. Give me a headache, but it's cute. It's strong right here. Oof. I don't know what I'm smelling, but I like it. I like that. This is Bourbon Butterscotch. All this is from the Flaming Candle Company. Flaming Candle, y'all did something with that Cuban Cigar. Ooh wee. Bourbon Butterscotch. I smell the butterscotch. I smell alcohol. I can't say I know what bourbon smell like. I've had bourbon flavored foods, but it's nice though. It's like something you would eat. Maybe a bourbon butterscotch cake would hit. You can call this bourbon butterscotch cake. I like this. But a Cuban Cigar, winner chicken dinner, bumba clot. That smells so good. Oh, this is mahogany teak wood. This smell like a fly guy. Somebody he know where he going. I like this, but it ain't better than that Cuban cigar, but I like it. Mahogany teak wood. Frankincense and myrrh. I love the mixture of frankincense and myrrh. I have a body oil made with frankincense and myrrh. Maybe I should show you it. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna show you. I think it's a well balanced fragrance. I can't really, it's like I can kind of smell the frankincense, but it's not like slapping me. My body oil that's made, it's slapped, like it's slapped. But this, it's light. And I like it. It's very light. This is cucumber melon. I love the scent of cucumber melon. Yep, cucumber melon. Smell like Bath and Body Works. And I know if they still carry it or not, but I like it. It smells just like Bath and Body Works cucumber melon. This would be a nice addition. So this concludes my small unboxing from the Flaming Candle Company. My favorite fragrance out of this, you already know, it is the Cuban Cigar. Oh my Lord, it smells sexy. But anyway, if you love what I do here on my channel, I would love for you to like, comment, and subscribe. And also hit that notification bell down there somewhere in gray. Light it up so whenever I upload, you'll be one of the first to know. And until next time, later.